Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you on how to plot using coordinate method and bearing and distance method. When plotting with bearing and distance, you only need your coordinate value and your bearing and distance. But when using coordinate method, you need all the coordinate of the side. You need all the coordinate of the boundary. So before we start, firstly, the first thing you will do is to set your unit. So in order for you to set your unit, you can type UN on the screen, then it will display list of UN. So on here I have units, then you click on your unit, or you can as well come to this place here, and then you come to drawing utilities. So under drawing utilities you have units, then it's going to display your unit. Then you set your unit. If you want, you can either set it to 3 decimal value or 2 decimal value, or in the precision. The type is going to be on degree, minute and second. This is going to be on 0 degree 00 minutes 00 seconds. While you checking the clockwise, make sure unit to scale is on meter. Then the direction is also going to be on nothings. You set your direction to nothing. You set your direction to north, then you click OK, and you click OK. So we are plotting using polyline. In order for you to plot using bearing and distance method, you can either plot using polyline or line, but I will be using polyline to plot. So to use your polyline to plot, is either we come to this place and select polyline, or you can type in polyline here. That is the short one for polyline, or you can just come to the screen and type P. So it will display list of what you have as P. So here is my polyline, then I'll select it. Now after that, you input your coordinates. You input your eastern coordinates before your northern coordinates. Now I have my eastern as 526.334.080, while my northern coordinate as 729.131.206. Enter. So now the next thing is to input your distance and your bearing. So in order for you to do that, you hold your shift and you press Alt. Shift Alt. The distance 36.68 is less than 31 degree 37 minutes. Enter. Shift Alt, that is the next direction, 19.00 is less than 120 degree 22 minutes. Enter. Shift Alt, that is the next direction, 36.39 is less than 211 degree 18 minutes. Enter. Shift Alt, 19.20 is less than 301 degree 00 minutes. Enter. Now I'm done with my bearing and distance. All the side I've input it. Now the next thing is, when you are done with your inputting, your bearing and distance, so you press C, enter, Z, enter. E enter. Now the C enter, Z enter, E enter is C is for close, that is you are letting the system to decode that you are done with the input of the value. Y Z enter, it means zoom, and then the E enter is extend, to extend the view of what you have on the screen. Now you can see now this is my boundary. So let me give a color, let me change this color to red. Now this is polyline. This is plotting with bearing and distance method. Now I told you something the other time. I said for polyline you can check for the area immediately. Now the area here, what you want to check for the area, what you just do is to select the boundary, then you press LI, that is list. Now you can see now here is my area, and these are the coordinates that was input. These are the coordinates, so you can just copy it back. That is how to plot using bearing and distance method. The next thing is to plot using coordinates method. So in order for you to plot using coordinates method, you just come to, is either you plot using polyline or you plot using line. Now to plot using line, you come to this place and click line, and then you click on create line, or you can come to the screen, then you press L. So you can see now, either you press it finish, or you just press L. So let's select it here, or you can come to this place, you press L, this command here, you press L, so it will still display same thing, then you press enter. Now it's asking us to specify the first point, so you input your coordinates, your starting coordinates, and you must make sure you are inputting the easting before the northing. So my easting value I have here 526.334.080, comma 729.131.206, enter. Now it's asking us to specify the next point, but on my own screen here, the coordinates for me to plot my bearing and the coordinates for my parcel, I already have it on my notepad. I already listed it out on my notepad. So what I'll just do is, since I already have my coordinate on my notepad, that is easting here, comma nothing. So what I'll just do is to copy all these coordinates, and then I'll copy all these coordinates, then I'll come to this place, and then I'll paste the coordinates here, then I'll press enter. You can see now all the coordinates have been input into the system now, so you can see the values now, then I'll press enter. So now this one is the coordinate, using coordinate method is plot with line. Now the difference between line and polyline, now you can see you have to be selecting it one after the other, compared to polyline whereby you just select it once. Now to check the area of the parcel now, well, if you should select everything now, LI, you can see what it's giving us. It's not giving us the area, and everything is scattered. Is because we plot using line. So in order for you to check for this type of thing, where you want to check for the area, all you have to do is you come to analyze, then you click on area, then you start from the corners of the boundary. Then you return back to the starting point. Then you press enter. Now you can see the area now. You can see the area for using line method. So when plotting the difference between the line and polyline, you can see the difference now. The polyline method is faster than line method. So that is how to plot using bearing and distance method and using coordinates method. Thank you.